What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, Budget Auto Review. As you all know, I'm David. Hey, it's time to take the Cadillac up to the body shop for them to do an estimate for me. I'm probably sure they won't be able to do the estimate right away. They'll probably check it out and make a list of what needs to be fixed, and they'll probably send me the cost of the estimate in the email. So without wasting too much of your time, you guys grab a coffee, a hot coffee, because it's freaking cold out here. Woo! As you can see, I'm all bundled up, my head warmer and all of that, my glove. Woo, man, it is 4 degrees out here right now. It feels like -10. So hey, and it's kind of dropping flurs. Still gonna snow anyway, but let me not waste too much of you guys' time. Let's get into the show today. All right, y'all, we are driving the Cadillac right now to the body shop. So I have 19 minutes to my appointment, so I have to try to get there on time. It's just a 3-minute drive away from where I stay, so I'm gonna be gentle with it till I get there. Drives pretty good. Brakes are smooth and sharp. Let's see. Yeah, it's just that the inner fender wall is rubbing off the tire in the front. It's pretty much a cool drive. So here we go. And it shifts good as well. Everything on the dash is working fine, and I'm gonna keep my eye out for the temperature gauge as well. Make sure it doesn't go, it's not hot or overheating on me. Hood is slightly up because of the wind, but I have a bungee cord holding it down so it don't go in my face. So let me see, take this route. So I don't pass too much of the city road because I'm driving without a tag here, which is dangerous and against the law. Pioneer Street. Let's try this one. No, wrong time. Hey, I'll find my way anyway. All right, let me try to find my way, and I'll get back with you all in a minute. All right, everyone, we made it here. One thing I noticed is the heat is not working. Yeah, I mean the temperature gauge is up at the normal level. Let me show you guys here. Temperature gauge is at the normal level right there, and the heat is turned on, but it's not working for some reason. I don't know. Maybe the radiator is being jacked up. Like I said, there is a tube dent on the radiator core, so I don't know if it's leaking the whole radiator for the coolant system or the heat system. But we're gonna find out here in a minute. I don't know if they're gonna let me get everything on camera, but when they send me the email, I would probably read it to you guys and let you know how much it's gonna cost me, or how much they're gonna charge to fix this car back to OEM spec. I still have about 10 minutes. I'm gonna sit out here for a minute and let it run more and fiddle with the climate system, see what's going on, and I'll check the engine, because when I checked the engine before I left the house, I don't see any coolant in the coolant compartment or container or reservoir, so that will tell a lot why it's not getting warm. Everything else works fine. I'm so grateful that no airbag was blown in here, because it will have been more work for us to do. I also checked online for the seat belt retraction and the tensioner. That one piece is $170. Then the tensioner itself is $120. So for both passenger and driver side, yeah, that's a lot of money. Let me see, what else did I not cover? Yeah, my previous video I said there was no parking sensor. That was for the front. It has a parking sensor in the back. I just noticed that, and while I was backing up in here, I was hearing the beep 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 beeping sound for parking. So it has a parking sensor in the back bumper, but not in the front. So that's a plus. Let me see what else. Yeah, let me go up in here and figure out what the cost is gonna be, and I'll let you guys know later. All right, see ya. All right, people, we made it back home. So I've been advised not to mess with the engine anymore, not to mess with the car. So when I got there, I noticed it was smoking and it was leaking coolant on the floor where I parked it at. I don't know if you can see it. Sorry, the leaking coolant, and it's dripping over here on this side. So they're gonna send me the estimate in my email. Yeah, they're gonna inbox me the estimate and let me know how much it's gonna cost me to get this car rebuilt. So stay tuned. I'll let you guys know pretty soon how much it's gonna cost me to fix this, and if it's doable, I'll go ahead and do it. Actually, I probably might go ahead and do it, because I don't have much time, and I don't have much I would say patience to have this sitting here and not working. So I'm gonna have to do it, because sorry guys, the battery to my GoPro just died on me for no reason. So I sent an email to 2 different body shop. So one of them responded, and that is the one I went to. I took the car to, so I probably might go with them after sending me the estimate in the mail and seeing how much it's gonna cost. So hey, I'll let you guys know in the next video how much it's gonna cost me to fix this, if we're gonna proceed with the procedure to fixing this and putting it back on the road. With all that being said, it is freaking cold out here. My fingers are numb. And yet again my GoPro decided to die on me again. So I'm gonna get out of here and let off the hook. So you guys stay safe out there and stay warm. It's still freaking cold. Hey, keep drinking a warm coffee, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out. Hey.